Do you want to know how to withdraw from high dollars, and do you want to see high dollars earning proof so you can see just how easily it is to earn here? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and recently I published a video, a full tutorial about high dollars, and since I received quite a lot of questions about how to actually take your earnings out. So in this video here, I will show you exactly how to do that step by step, and also I will show you earning proof so you can see how much I have earned so far in just 2 weeks after I started using high dollars, so you can see just how easy it is to earn more or less passively here. So before I show you step by step how to withdraw from high dollars, I just want to make it clear that this is not a full tutorial about how to earn on high dollars. It is super easy. It takes 2 seconds every day or so, and I have full tutorial that shows exactly how to do that. You can do that by using just Telegram or WhatsApp. It's super easy. I will leave a link in the top corner here so you can see the tutorial about how to do that. In this video here, I instead want to focus on showing my earning proof so you can see what I have earned since I recorded my first video, and also I want to show you how to withdraw because I have received a lot of questions about this. So if you've already been using High, you will know that you will earn mainly by using Telegram and WhatsApp. And that means you do not have to as such access High's website or the app or anything like that. But to be able to withdraw your earnings, you need to access it a little bit differently, and you can do that in several ways. You can see here they actually just recently launched an app for iOS devices here, and that is one way where you can get a full overview of your earnings and take out your earnings and do other things that I will talk a little bit more about in just a few seconds here. Currently, as of recording this video here, they do not have one for Android yet, but as you can see, it is coming soon. So by the time you watch this video here, depending on when you watch it, maybe it's already there. But no matter your device or anything, you can also just use this web app here. You can do that on your phone. You can either just go to the main website, high.com, and then go to products and then click here to get the link to go to the web app, or you can just go to web.high.com, as you will see I do in just a few seconds here. So that's how you access the withdrawal options there. So let me just do that now and show you how that works. So I'm now logged into the web app. You can see web.high.com here, and that's where you get a full overview and where you can potentially also take your earnings out. As you can see, just to start with the earning proof, right now I have a total balance here of $1,715, and I started using High less than 3 weeks ago. And this is a combination of earnings just by claiming High every single day. Just spend 2 seconds doing that and then inviting others, because you also get really good earnings by inviting others, and you can also help others people getting really easy free cash. So why not tell others about it? And as you can see, then you can really boost your earnings. But before I then show you how to potentially take your earnings out, there's one thing you need to be aware of. You can see there's something here called rewards and there's something called flexible. Right now you can see it in US dollars. So that's the current value that High Dollars has as of recording this video here. But it is a cryptocurrency, so the value can go up and down a little bit. But of course, like most other cryptocurrencies, I hope that it will increase in value. So if it, for example, doubles in a few days and a week and a year or however long it takes, then the rewards you will see in US dollars will also double, or if it triples, the same. But of course, also if it decreases a little bit, then that will be the same here. That will also be reflected. So that's just to make that clear. This is the current value it has in US dollars. And you can always just go to the website, the main website. They show here exactly what the current price of High Dollars is, and it will go up and down, but they are very ambitious. So I really hope that it will keep increasing and become worth a lot more, because then of course our earnings will also be worth a lot more in the long run. But I cannot guarantee that. I'm not a financial advisor. There's no guarantees when it comes to cryptocurrencies like that, but it is so super easy to earn, as I showed in my initial video. But also, another thing you need to be aware of is that you can see there's something called rewards and flexible. And the difference here is that when you every day claim High Dollars, or when you invite other people claim and then you also earn a commission for that. That goes into this section here called rewards. You cannot take them out right away. Your earnings are locked for a year from the day you earn them. So if I claim today, then in a year, the high dollars I earn today will be released into my flexible account here. And then from there, I can take them out. So that's important to understand. I know some people are interested in getting them out right away, but I'm actually happy that they lock them like this, because that's a part of the strategy to make it more popular. Because if everybody just took them out and tried to dump them every day and were not really interested in helping the project, then it would not have such a high success possibility, you can say. So I actually think it is a great system, but of course, if you're looking for ways where you can get paid in cash here and now today, then this is not an option. But if you believe in the potential, and if you're just willing to spend 2 seconds every day for potentially earning a lot or getting paid a lot in a year, then this is definitely a good option. And as mentioned, if high dollars increases in value, of course, you will then also get more in a year. It's not that it's locked, that the high dollar you earn today is locked to that value. If it increases, so will your earnings. So that was just to make it clear exactly what the difference is and when you can take out your earnings. So let's then go over how you can take your earnings out once you reach that point. And when you log into the web app, the app itself might look a little bit different, but you should fairly easily be able to figure out how to use it. You can see there's a button here, set high here. I can move that around a little bit here. And then if I click that, I get several other options. And one of those options is to withdraw. You can see you can also deposit, because you can deposit money here and buy high dollars if you're interested in that. If you want more high dollars because you believe that it potentially can grow, then that can be a way to invest. Again, that is completely up to you and at your own risk if you decide to do that, but the option is here. But let's focus on the withdraw option here. So you would then click here to withdraw, and you can then see there are different cryptocurrencies, because you can also get other different cryptocurrencies, or you can hold other different cryptocurrencies here. I will explain a little bit more about that in just a minute or so here, but you would then choose high dollars here, and then you would choose the network. Currently, it is this ERC20 network it would be on. That's the only option. And then where you have your high wallet, you would just paste the address here. Currently, as of recording this video here, it's only available through Uniswap, so you would have to have a wallet there and paste it here, and then choose the amount and then take the earnings out. But they are working on soon making it available on other exchanges, other crypto platforms. So hopefully soon you'll be able to take it out into other platforms as well, in case you are not yet on Uniswap. But anyways, you would then just choose here how much you would want to withdraw. You can see I have 250 high dollars available, and that's because you saw the equivalent value in US dollars, but this is the actual number in high I currently have in my flexible account. And that's because I have had some money transferred into this high dollars account here. So they are in the flexible account, so I can take them out because I want here to use them for something else. Actually, I'm not going to take them out now, and I'll show you in just a few minutes why that is and why it might even be worth transferring more money into high dollars here. And that is what has happened here. And that's why I already have some money in my flexible account, because other than that, you usually have to wait a little bit before the money go into your flexible account, as I already explained. One thing you then need to be aware of here, there is a network fee of 10 high here. So it wouldn't make sense to, for example, take out 20 high. It would make more sense to wait till you have accumulated a little bit more. But that's all you do. You just paste the wallet address, your high wallet address here, choose the amount here, and then you withdraw. And that's how simple it is. But as mentioned, I'm not going to take out my earnings now here for several reasons. I will just jump back here and now show you what else you can use your high dollars for in here, or potentially also other cryptocurrencies. So on the overview here, you can see there's something called earnings also. And if I click here, they have these different earning opportunities. And this is the reason I'm not going to take out my high, because instead you can see you can earn by leaving them here. They have these where you can earn interest. So if I say here, I want this one here where I want to lock my high dollars here for 90 days, then I will get a 25% interest, yearly interest here, and I will get paid out daily. That's an extremely high interest rate. I don't know about the country you live in the country where I live, many banks have actually started charging negative interest, so I have to pay to have money standing there, and here they pay me 25%, and if I lock it for a year, they pay me 40%. Of course, that means that if you lock it for a year, you cannot then sell your high dollars if you want to. But if you're planning to hold them anyways because you believe in the potential and want to hold them till they increase in value, then why not do it here? But if they then suddenly decrease or you want to sell, that's not possible. So that's something you have to then decide for yourself. But you can see you can get up to 40% interest here. And that's definitely something worth considering. And you can see they also have other products like that where you can earn. For example, if you transfer your Bitcoin into high dollars here, you can see here, if you lock that for a year, you can get up to 6% interest. They have Ethereum also here where you can earn up to 8% interest, and USDT, a stable coin that's kind of stable according to the US dollars here. You can see here you can get up to 12% interest there. So they have a lot of products like this here where you can earn like that. And you would just need here to fund it here. And I could choose, for example, if I want to lock it for 90 days here, I can choose the amount here. You can see I have these 250 high dollars. I could choose to lock them here and then either auto renew, so it would just keep renewing automatically, or I could stop it after the 90 days. And that is how it works if you choose to do that. But that's definitely something worth considering when you get earnings into your flexible account. You can, of course, just take them out. That's completely up to you. I just wanted to mention this option here also because in my opinion, this can definitely be a good way to earn extra free high dollars or other cryptocurrencies passively if you are planning to hold them anyways and not planning to sell them right away. So as you can see, it is definitely possible to earn on high dollars. It is very easy. It does not take long, but it also has other options to potentially grow your earnings further, as you could also see. And once you just know how it works, it is very easy to withdraw, and hopefully very soon they will be listed on more platforms so you have more options to take their earnings out. You just need to be aware of the difference between the rewards you earn and the flexible account, and when they will be moved into the flexible account, because that's a question I have often been asked. And I really hope this video helped make it very clear when you can take your earnings out, because it's not just how to take them out, it's also when you can take them out. And just also remember, it's actually good for all of us that there is this lock period, because it likely makes it more possible that the project and the currency will succeed, which means we will earn more because people will not just take out one high dollar every day and exchange it into something else. This gives it the opportunity to grow, which will benefit all of us who earn by using high. But as mentioned, it's not necessarily for everyone. If you want cash here and now today, then this is not a good option. Then you should go for platforms that, for example, pay instantly via PayPal instead. I have a video about that. I will leave a link in the top corner here so you can check that out instead if that's more what you're into. But if you're interested in cryptocurrencies and want to earn a new type of cryptocurrencies, that shows a lot of potential. Again, I cannot guarantee anything, but it takes so little effort to earn here that, in my opinion, even if it doesn't succeed, I have not wasted any time, but the potential of it, if it succeeds and if high dollars become worth a lot, you can see that already now. I have not used it for very long. Already now I have seen good results, and you can do it easily, spend 2 seconds a day, and if you tell other people about it, people will appreciate that you tell them about how easy it is to earn here, and then you will also earn extra that way, and you can really boost your earnings that way. So I hope this video here helped you and helped you clarify exactly how you can take your earnings out and when, and also a little bit more about the earning potential and some other ways to potentially grow your passive earnings here further. And if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also, if you're not yet a member of High and want to join, you need an invitation link to be able to join. And I will leave a link below here so you can go there and sign up through my invitation link. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to make some extra money on the side online.